So our aim today is to create a folder which, as soon as we put files into it, will automatically publish them to the web and allow us to embed them within a whole lot of different websites or learning management systems. First thing I'm going to do is create a folder here in the Google Drive folder. I'm going to call it Moodle, and then I'm going to place some files in here which will be handy to be able to publish. I'm going to drop lunchtime detention form in there because I want to be able to share that, and I would like to be able to place also something for the Revive setup. I'm going to come up here and I just copied that, so that I'm going to end up with 2 copies of the document, paste that in there, and that lunch detention one didn't work, so I'll just drag that in. Notice how the symbols will change here once they've actually been uploaded onto the web, so they're currently working on that. Now I'm going to jump into my Google Drive folder on the actual web. Here's the Moodle folder, and you can see that the 2 files are already uploaded and available to me there. I'm going to go share the folder. I'm going to change it from being private to being anyone with a link, and they'll be able to view it. They won't be able to change things, but they'll be able to view it. And then after I've done that, I can close that down here. Right, so now on my blog, but there's a lot of other places on the web where you can find it, I've copied this code here. I'm going to copy it here. It's to place an iframe which will hold the embedded Google folder. It's tricky words, but basically all that means is here I am in Moodle. I have a page where I can embed some HTML code, and if that's scary, that's just simply Moodle normally need to release that and click to here. This is just the code that the web works on, and you can see how we've got this set of code here. You don't need to worry about it, but obviously if you wanted to change some heights or some widths or put some borders in, change it from being a list to a grid, you could change some of those words. But just for today, let's stick with that nice simple one there. I'm going to click back here, and after it says the word folders, I'm going to copy that, drop back into here, and where it has in capital letters folder ID, I'm going to paste that long piece of code in. I'm going to press update, and you should hopefully see straight away it shows you those 2 files in a nice list view. I'm going to save my changes, and then when I scroll down here to this page, and you get to see it in Moodle, and I'm pretty certain it will work in any other learning system which allows you to put some HTML in. Here are the 2 sections here. And so from that, anything that I now save into that folder will automatically get shared up to here, and people would be able to access it from here.